All right, so this knowledge check is doing pretty much the same thing we did in the last one, except instead of a tenfold cross-validation procedure, we want to apply Bootstrap resampling. So here we need to fill in the blanks in order to create our Bootstrap object. Let's go ahead, and again, we are going to use the Boston train data to do so, and we wanted to, it says apply 10 Bootstrap samples. So I want to go ahead and use 10 there, and we're going to go ahead and stratify by our response variable, CMEDV. All right, so now we need to create our workflow object. Again, that is CMEDV is a function of all predictor variables, and then we can go ahead and create a workflow object, and we need to add our model, which is just a linear regression model. We need to add our recipe that we created, which is MLR recipe. And then now I need to go ahead and fit my resamples, and I do that with fit resamples and then state the resample object, or our Bootstrap object, which is BS samples. And then the last thing we need to do is go ahead and collect our metrics. So we got collect metrics, and we can pass it the MLR fit CV, and that's this object right here that we are fitting. All right, so we should be able to train that. It's going to go work through, get our 10 Bootstrap samples, apply our model to each of those Bootstrap samples, and then compute our mean, which is 5.087. And again, like before, this is our average. We could look across all the Bootstrap samples and look at what the RMSE is, and we can see that it ranges from, looks like everything's at least in the 4, if not 5. Looks like 4.612. This may be the lowest RMSE that we had, and then we have RMSEs that get up as high as, looks like 5.84 may be the highest one.